periscope, I have the bloody hiccups, and it's really starting to annoy me. Truly starting to annoy me. I just need to punch the thing. I just need like, how do you get rid of hiccups? I need severe help right now. I'm so tired. All I've been doing is hiccuping. All I want to do is sleep. I can't. Any suggestions? No? Okay. Do you want to hear a funny story? Basically, the other night I was just periscoping after like a party or whatever, and I fell asleep on Periscope. And it was like a 6-hour long Periscope with me just snoring down the actual like microphone. How embarrassing is that? Actually, so embarrassing. Way embarrassing. I don't think I've ever felt so embarrassed in all my life, to be fair. Here we go. God, a couple of hiccups and it's stressing me out, but okay, go away. I just need rest, and my body will just not let me sleep. My friend said when I got home, my eyes were really red. I don't think they're red. Are they red? Who is your mate is all I have to say, Bruin Boy 5.